Hello, Internet. Today I want to talk to you, Blizzard. Yes, you. Blizzard, I love the game Overwatch 2, yes. It's just that the way you nerfed Bastion made me think a few things. Like, first off, you took the spectrum of, well, what if Bastion had a freaking grenade as a weapon? And took the fact of, hey, if Bastion can go from turret to tank, why not take the bottom parts and swap them? Cool. But literally, stop putting timers on everything. I mean, I get it for the ultimate because every now and again you're gonna have to cancel it. I get that much, but not for the basic single button press. That's not even an ultimate. That I just find weird. Also, I did get a haircut. And, I was thinking, why not take the aspects from the original Overwatch, the Overwatch before the update, which became Overwatch 2, and took that and decided, hey, this could be cool, this could not. We don't know, we don't care. And you guys decided, hey, So I'm thinking, hey, take the normal button for the transformation between Bastion's turret mode and recon from the original Overwatch before the update, not Overwatch 2, and take the same button for Overwatch 2 and put it into a three-way type of way. So if you press the button once while in recon, boom, turret mode. Press it another, and you get... Oh, I have to look at this again. I keep on forgetting stuff. Sorry if this video takes long. Also, Blizzard, I loved the Winston intro. I wish it was introduced into Overwatch 2, but using the breakpoint teaser trailer for it. Oh, my account merge is complete. Okay, let's see. Okay, Bastion. Hello. Okay. Okay, let me see here. Assault? Okay. So, take the mode of turret and assault, combine them together. Not really, but you get what I mean. Take the button for them, combine it all together. So, from recon to turret, that's one button press. From recon to assault, that's two. Pretty sure you guys can do it. If you can't, well then, eh. And then I was thinking, for the ultimate, why not go from tank to where if the player points their barrel straight up, it goes into an aerial view where they can shoot wherever. I think that would be very cool. And it would be useful to literally any newcomer. But this would also nerf Bastion as well. Because players flying right above a Bastion, while they're in tank mode, they won't be able to do it because as soon as they look straight up, boom! Friggin' artillery mode. And I love the new design of Bastion. This Bastion. I love it. I just wish that you guys paid enough attention to put it into all the other skin choices, to where Overwatch 1 could be as choice as well, like Overgrown OW1, Overgrown OW2. And you could repeat that thing with every other skin choice there is. I wouldn't care. Because I would like to see the new Bastion of Overwatch 2 in Omnicrisis, in his Omnicrisis colors. And I'm pretty sure any other player would want to see that as well. And I just love Ganymede, the bird, of course. Now, what I'm telling you here is what other Bastion mates should tell you. But I'm also going to take a look at Genji, just to see how he works. See his skins. Overwatch 1 looks pretty basic. Nothing cool. Overwatch 2 looks better. Carbon fiber. Wait, home. Is it right? Wait, Cyber Demon. Mythic? Okay. Cool. Battle Pass. Okay. Also, get rid of the Battle Pass. Epic's done that way too many times. You don't need to be ruled by an already reigning tyrant. Just bring back loot boxes. Everyone loved them. I loved them, to be fair. Pretty sure no one would care if all of a sudden, hey, fuck you. You get these. F off. Now I'm going to take a look at Reaper and see what his Overwatch 2 version would look like. Looks more about us. Overwatch 1, Overwatch 2. Cursed Captain. Dude, you give out Cursed Captain for free. Okay. Hellfire, I love that version. But seriously, still, make it to where the new version of the character can be mixed with all the other selectable choices from the original game. It's already pretty awesome, it's just that you guys need to work on it more. And to make it fun for all types of mains, just like how TF2 did. If any other game, other team-based games, like Overwatch, Blizzard, or say, Apex, maybe. And the other games that are like TF2 but not. Make it to where it's fun for the players and fun for you. And make sure all the players are happy. Allow no one to hack, because hackers are just saying that they're bad at the game. That's basically what they're saying. So yeah, never listen to hackers. I'm not one, because I play on a frickin' Nintendo Switch. How the fuck am I gonna get hacks on this? And if you dare say connecting up to a computer, my computer is right there. And I charge it, my Switch, right there, along with my computer. So technically, it's already connected up to my computer, technically speaking, but it's really not. And I don't plan on to. So, have a great day. Thank you for listening. And bye.